ProLin PLN.
Welcome to Station 5E, Throughput and Utilization with Plant Simulation. This is our production digital twin of our plant. We keep it up to date. And this is our kitting area. Kits have become very complex, leading to much rework. As a result, they are lowering our key performance indicators, or KPI. Using our digital twin, we will seek to improve utilization and return on capital employed. First, let's see how much will just 2 more workers per shift increase our utilization and ROCE. We run the simulation, and when it completes, it will let us know how many parts we can make, which in turn will allow us to perhaps improve on the current 70% utilization and 3% ROCE. We'll fast forward the simulation to save us some time. And indeed, we are improving our utilization ROCE. If we can add more workers to 2 shifts, how about we try another approach? Perhaps adding a 3rd shift will further increase our utilization ROCE. Again, we'll change our parameters on our digital twin and rerun the simulation to seek our results. In this case, we are running more parts, however, utilization ROCE is lower. How about we rethink completely our kitting operations altogether? Let's bypass manual kitting operations altogether. The simulation shows parts are currently not running through the manual kitting area. We simulate zero kitting rework by doing so. This allows us to assess the potential for automatic kitting. Our digital twin clearly shows us which is the preferred solution. In our case, it's an automatic kitting line. Plant simulation. Confidence in your investment decisions. Optimized, cost-effective production. Thank you.
ProLin PLN.